Hey everyone, welcome to Sourcetable. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Sourcetable's AI to generate datasets for you to work with. So there's a couple of different ways that you can generate data in Sourcetable. If you just want sample data, the best way to generate a dataset is to just ask the AI assistant to generate a dataset. And if you're not specific about what type of data you want, you will likely get a generic sales data set. So I recommend asking for specific data to get something more robust. So for example, I'm going to ask for a sample sports data set with volleyball data. And I'm going to be really specific about what I want. So I even included which fields I want to see in the data set. And when I run this, I get a really nice data set with everything I asked for. You can also use Sourcetable to get real data using an API. So for example, I can ask for hourly weather data from Seattle on January 1st, 2020. And this gets me the actual hourly weather data on this day using a weather API. So this is a really nice feature if you're not familiar with APIs or coding. This allows you to get what you need in about 10 seconds without having to search the internet or write code. Thanks for watching.